and gentlemen and everybody in between, I'm back for another video, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. It's actually a holiday for 20, and I just took some CBD because I don't do nothing else. Girl, basic. So I was sitting in my house going through TikTok, and I saw this new thing. Now, it was not on TikTok, let me not lie. I was on Instagram. They had reposted this redheaded girl doing this 70s hair on TikTok, and she does like this flip out thing, and she flips her head and then she comes back, and it's just gorgeous. And I wanted to try it. Girl, I had nothing to do today, so I got my wine. I'm relaxing. Is my skin reflecting? I got on SPF, y'all. Does it look crazy? Do I look light-skinned today? Girl, whatever. I saw that Aaliyah J also did like a 70s look. She had said a while ago that 70s hair was going to be in, and sis was right. I don't know if 70s hair is my vibe. Not till I see it on a whole bunch of people. It probably will be my vibe after that, because I'm a follower. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know how to style it. I ain't looking no videos on how to style the wig, so I'm just gonna go off my ancestral intuition and style this hair, because I think I can figure it out. Now if it end up wrong, girl, don't say nothing to me. So we're gonna start by putting on our wig. So this wig is from Izzy Wigs. I felt like it would be perfect for doing this style. First, let's start off with a wig cap like we do. So in order to lay down my wig cap, y'all know what I always do. I take some Got To Be high insta hold spray, and I just spray it on. The only thing I don't like is it getting all over my hair. I know it be ripping my hair out. I know it. So we're just gonna take our blow dryer to it real quick. Y'all, obviously I'm in a rush because my husband about to be home at like 9 and it is 8:24. And I'm trying to do this hairstyle in like 30 minutes. I ain't even supposed to be fooling around like this. I said I was gonna rest today and I'm not resting. So we're gonna take our Revlon blow dryer. She's been the star of the show lately. If y'all don't know, y'all need to know. She cute or whatever. I love her. So I'm just going to turn it on cool, and then we're gonna blow dry it in place. I think that's mostly dry. Let me hurry up, girl, before my wig get out. Okay, so let's throw on the wig. So like I said, this wig is from Izzy Wigs. I actually like this wig. It's a really good one, but I love the texture of it because she's a Yaki. So y'all, the light is in my eyes and I can't see shit. So we have our wig. It's already pre-plucked. If you want to see how I plucked and customized this wig to make her look like this, I'm pulling the wig back and I'm just gonna clip her up or something. I never got no ponytail holders or nothing. Y'all, I'm never prepared. I just be jumping on camera with vibes. And all I need to do is spray down the hairline and then we'll be done. Y'all already know the best spray in town that I have used is the Wig Dealer spray, the Wig Dealer melting spray. Got it off Instagram. Follow her on Instagram. I love this stuff. Pull this back and I'm just gonna spray the hairline. This stuff sprays like intense. It's really, really intense, so be careful. Oh, see, it starts traveling down the face. I don't know why. That's really annoying to me. Oh no, I can't breathe. Okay, so we just apply in sections. Oh, she is melting. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, y'all, so the hair is in. I don't know if y'all know, but it's real easy and quick to do this sort of hairstyle. All I need to do is wrap up me hairline. I'm just gonna wrap it up real quick so it melts. Okay, so we're gonna tie it down and let it sit. It set for 20 minutes, but I'm gonna only do it for like a few. Cause I'm trying to get this hairstyle done and it is 8:41. Girl, this is happening quick. So while we do that, I need to brush all of the hair forward and then I wanna cut it a certain way so it curls correctly. Yeah. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. I love this wig. I'm probably gonna end up fucking it up. I'm taking my Revlon blow dryer. This is, I think, the 1.5 barrel. I don't know if have y'all used this before? I love this thing. We're gonna turn it on high and then I'm just gonna start blow drying it in the shape that I want it to be. Okay. Okay, I'm peeking through my hair curtains. I want to cut it a little bit more like a mushroom. Does that make any sense? How do I know what's good? I can't even see. Girl, I have no idea what is going on. Does this even look? I think I'm achieving what I want to. Oh, I like it like this. I actually like these layers. I like these. I'm just gonna layer down just a little bit right here. Do the same thing on this side. There we go. Who knew this gives you those layers? Get out of town. I saw that her hair was like flipped this way. So we're gonna pull the hair forward and take my handy blow dryer and I'm just gonna, and then I wanna flip it this way. I'm gonna take the smaller barrel. I can't see. Girl, I'm gonna take the smaller barrel, clip this on because I feel like I'll get a better curl. Gonna take the smaller barrel for my Revlon blow dryer. I'm gonna do my hair in sections. So I'm gonna do this front section, clip that away. Gonna do side sections. Y'all, I'm really rushing. It's 8:48. And then this back section. Okay, I don't know if y'all said, I put some spray water on it. So we have the water on there and I'm gonna take my blow dryer, turn her on. Okay, so I had to close the blinds so y'all can see me flip this hair out. I'm gonna let it cool for like 5 or 10 minutes. It only took me 15 minutes to curl the hair, period. Okay, now let me not brag before I up this hair. But I'm gonna let it cool while it is clipped, and then we're gonna throw our hair. Y'all, it's 9:09 p.m. I started this video at like 8:17. Okay, so we back. So I'm gonna take these clips down. Is she on? Is she live? I gotta take this off. Damn it. What? Oh my God. This hair. Girl, I love it. Now I don't know why this side acting like that. This side looks better than this side. Either way. Oh, the girls. I think if you cut more layers into your hair, it'll really turn out good, but I need to really cut in more layers. But oh my God. Y'all tell me what you think with these waves. Oh my God. You would think this is my hair. Come on, period. That's all, y'all. I don't know if it ended up being exactly like homegirls because her hair was cut correctly. But that don't mean I'm not gonna try it again. Have y'all tried this TikTok challenge? Because I think it's worth it. If you do it on one of your natural hair wigs or you do it on natural hair, y'all please let me know. Have y'all even tried it? Because it is worth it. And my husband ain't even home yet. Oh, she is sexy. Oh, girl, not with that ash on my forehead. No, ma'am. Y'all tell me what you think down below. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I ain't even got no wine left, but thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed it. Y'all try it out and let me know what you think. Anyway, I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.